Let's start your ice maker journey. We'll unbox it, explore the key parts, and guide you through the important 24-hour setup before first use. First up, check if the box looks good. Open it up and take a look at your new ice maker. You'll find an ice scoop, an ice bin, and a manual in the box. If anything's missing or you need more later, just hit up customer service. Place the machine on a flat surface and let it sit for 24 hours before using it. We hope you found this video helpful. Looking for more inspiration or have any questions? Visit EUHOMY.com and connect with us anytime.